Welcome to our guide on how to allow photos tagging from anyone on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps. To get started, open X on your PC. Click on the small circular profile picture icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Privacy and Safety section from the menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the option that says Allow anyone to tag me in photos, and select it. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply the new tagging setting. Lastly, you will be prompted to enter your password for verification. Once done, click on Save Changes again to confirm the changes. Thank you for following along. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to adjust your tagging settings on X, Twitter, to allow anyone to tag you in photos. Enjoy a more interactive and engaging experience on the platform with this feature enabled.